welcome back to our channel. It's Nicole. So today, as you can tell by, well, as you saw by that thumbnail, as you can tell by that title below, I'm just going to be giving you guys a quick little 1-2 on ways to style your faux locks. Okay, so the first style that I like is all the way down. So as you can see, what I usually do is I kind of like swoop this part and I bring this part like to the front, so you can see it like that. And then the part that I have goes to the side like this. So it's just a very cute, you know, natural style that you could just like run out of the house with. Okay, half up, half down is my next style. You could put a scrunchie or you could do it how I do it, and I simply just wrap it around. That's if you want to wear a bun. You could do it a bun style, which is like this. Yeah. Okay, a bun style, which is like this. Or you could take a scrunchie. I have a scrunchie here. I like to get these, which are the bigger ones. They're headbands. They're not really scrunchies, because I usually have a head full of faux locks. So, yeah, I just choose to get these because it's way more flexible. And then I just tie it one more time. So this is the half up, half down style. The next style that I like to do is in a bun minus these two pieces to the side. That's how to achieve that. A lot of times when you have a lot of dreads, you have to do it in sections. I try to do everything all together. I have my scrunchie. Bring everything to the front. Ooh, it's a lot. Ooh. And make sure all of them are through the actual scrunchie. So this is one look. Kind of like it to be tight. Okay, so everything is completely through, and then this is that style. A lot of times what I do is I bring everything towards the front and do it like that, but then it takes away from this. So what you could do is wrap this one around and then have your side ponytail with your one coming out. That is like a very elegant, you know, look. If not, have your ponytail going to the back and then have your two. That's one style. Or you can just simply wrap this around into a bun, a messy bun, and have it like that. So that is another style, which is very, very cute. Okay? So the next style, of course, is just a bun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap these two around. Look at that. Simple. Bam. Messy bun. Messy bun. It's very cute. The next style that I like to do is I like to do that side part again. Bring some of the hair to the front and then bring the rest of it to the back. I like to take this one again, the ones on the ends. I like to bring them around and tie them together. So what you're going to do is just going to simply tie this together like that and let it hang. So that is that style. See, very easy, very cute, and you can bring this towards the front. So the next style I like to do is two buns to the top. So basically what I do is I take this and I wrap it around like this. It's really cute, y'all. It's like give me Erykah Badu vibes. Is it Erykah Badu? Yeah, Erykah Badu vibes. It gives me Erykah Badu vibes. And I wrap it around. Ooh, girl. That's a lot of hair. Okay. So, and bring this like towards the front. I don't like all of this coming towards the front. Okay, so this is definitely the next. This is definitely the next style, which is really cute. It's really simple. It's not too heavy either, especially if your dreads, are old. Then it won't be, you know, too much on your head. Next style that you could try is have a braid going all the way across and have the rest going to the back. So what you could do is braid this like so. Yeah, my hair need to be more down, but I'm just too lazy to do that. And you can have that braid going straight down your face like this. And then have the rest come around. Or what you could do is wrap this around. Like if you work in the office, this is a very cute look, you know, to wear to work. And you could just put the rest up, like into a ponytail maybe. Make sure it's close by your ears. And you can have the rest into a ponytail so it looks like this. You can also put that into a bun if you don't like stuff touching your neck, or you could just leave it like that, which is cute either way. That I like, but I'm not gonna do it because it takes me forever, is having a braid going straight to the back. I really like that if I'm like wearing like flannel, like I want to feel country, like a country girl or something. I don't know. That's just me. I like different styles. I'll be all day telling y'all styles that you can do with your Faux Locs, but a lot of people like simple styles. I don't. I like to try anything because, like I said, I do like to keep this in my head for a long period of time. I mean, it just all depends on you. Like, it's just all about your style and your preference. Like, if you don't like heavy styles, that's fine. If you like styles that can stay in your head for days, that's fine as well. But that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to this little short 1-2 clip it of how to style your Faux Locs. If you haven't watched the tutorial that I did on how to actually achieve this look, make sure you go back and watch that. This is another Vlogmas video. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in to the Vlogmas videos that I have been uploading so far. If you like this video, make sure that you go ahead and smack that like button for me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Press that notification bell so that you don't miss any videos that I upload during Vlogmas. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.